1 kilogram chicken. Chest and leg pieces mix. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1 teaspoon black pepper. 1 tablespoon oil. 1 to 2 tablespoon yogurt. 1 to 2 teaspoons red chili powder. 1.5 teaspoon garlic paste. Now add all the spices and marinate for 2 hours or overnight. For sauce, we need 250 gram yogurt, 1 teaspoon salt, 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1.5 teaspoon chaat masala. Mix all ingredients and make sauce. Add all and fry chicken. Fry from both sides. Now when chicken is cooked, add sauce. Now add to green chilies. And let it cook for 2 to 5 minutes until chicken is tender. Add capsicum and coriander leaves. Add chaat masala. Serve with naan or chapati. French fries are optional. Subscribe my channel for more recipes.